Welcome to the Photoshop Guru. In this video, I will tell you how to remove background from an image in a few seconds. Simply first go to the layer panels and unlock the layer. Then go to Windows and click Properties. In the Properties panel, go down below and click Quick Actions. Now click on Remove Background. In a few seconds your background will be removed. Just see it. You can see that the background has been removed. See that. Just some parts are not removed. We can remove it by click on brush tool. Simply go to brush tool. And keep your brush hardness 0. Then also decrease opacity and flow. Then erase this part. You can see that it has been erased. Now your image background has been removed. So if you enjoyed the video, then please like it and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.